Hello, welcome back to Subtech Online. It's me again, Sabit Christopher. Today we are going to dive into the world's most strategic planning and business development tool. So today we are going to explore the essential tool for strategic planning known as SWOT. Whether you are an entrepreneur, a business owner, or simply interested in understanding the factors that can influence the success of a project, SWOT analysis is the valuable technique to have in your arsenal. So we start with what SWOT stands for. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So it provides a structured framework for assessing internal and external factors that can impact an entity's strategic decision. So let's take a look at each of them one by one. So we start with strength. So these are the positive attributes and internal resources these are the positive attributes and internal resources that can give an entity a competitive advantage. This could include the strong brand you have. It can include the unique products, features, a skilled workforce, financial stability, an established customer base. Identifying your strengths allows you to leverage them effectively in your strategic planning. Then on the other flip side, we have the weaknesses. These are the internal factors that hinder your progress or competitiveness of an entity. So what do we mean? So this is where you find that you have poor management, limited resources, you have outdated technology, you're lacking expertise, or you have operational inefficiencies, which many examples relate to that. So recognizing these areas of improvement is crucial for addressing them and minimizing their impact. So the moment you analyze and you mitigate your weaknesses, it becomes now a goal to the strategic plan of improving your business. Then on the other end, moving to the opportunities. So these are the external factors we have, and these situations can be exploited to the advantage of an entity. So in this, we could find the emerging markets, the technological advancements, the changes in consumer behavior. You will find new partnerships and collaborations even looking for you, or favorable industry trends. So identifying such opportunities, it allows you to capitalize on them and you gain that competitive edge. So the moment you capitalize on your opportunities, then you'll be realizing an improvement in your entity. So lastly, we have threats. These are the external factors that could potentially harm or create challenges for the entity. So competitors, changing market conditions, all those changing market conditions. We have regulatory changes where you find that a certain product you're marketing is banned. We have economic downturns. We have disruptive technologies or any other factors that can pose a risk to the business. So, understanding these threats, it helps you to develop strategies to mitigate their impact. So the moment you don't know the threats outside there affecting your entity, it becomes a challenge for you to mitigate their impact. So now that we are clear, that we have understood all the four categories of SWOT, let's discuss how the conduit analysis, how you conduct analysis effectively. So to begin, create a 4-quadrant table. This is how you create the analysis. Create a 4-quadrant table and label each quadrant with the corresponding category as we have seen. That is strengths, the weaknesses, the opportunities, and the threats. Then it is next you start brainstorming. If you have a team, just share with them let's say flip notes or sticky notes Let's brainstorm and list relevant factors under each category. The moment you have listed all under each category, this could be done individually or as a group, as I've said. So consider all the aspects of your business or project and be specific as possible. So once you have done that, list the factors, it's time to analyze and prioritize them. So look for connections and relationships between different factors. This will help you identify patterns and determine the most critical aspects to focus on. So with clear understanding of the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, it's time to develop strategies you leverage on your strength to take the advantage of the opportunities and overcome the weaknesses by capitalizing on those opportunities. And what you shouldn't forget that you have to mitigate the threats and use your understanding of threats to protect your strength. So guys, thank you for watching, but remember, SWOT is strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And by that, I wish you a nice day or evening. Make sure that we meet in the next video by subscribing, hit that red button, hit that bell such that you can get notifications when we post videos like this, and please leave us a comment and a like. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.